Could your Social Security benefits soon see a significant boost? The Social Security Fairness Act is making waves, and millions of Americans could benefit from it. But there's one crucial question that's on everyone's mind. When will the president sign this bill into law? In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Social Security Fairness Act. We'll explore who qualifies for these benefit increases, how eliminating the government pension offset, GPO, could mean hundreds of extra dollars a month, and what the next steps are in the legislative process. Make sure you stick around until the end because we'll give you the latest updates on when this bill could become law and how it will affect you. Welcome to Financial Area, your go-to channel for the latest financial news. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our important updates. Let's dive right in. The Social Security Fairness Act is designed to provide significant benefits to workers who have been impacted by certain pension systems, including hospital workers and others who contribute to a pension plan outside of Social Security. Many individuals in these positions have been denied full Social Security benefits due to their pension plans, and this new legislation seeks to correct that imbalance. To understand how this bill could affect you, it's important to first determine whether you meet the eligibility requirements. Workers from various sectors, particularly those who have been employed in roles like hospital work, local government, and other occupations where pensions have historically impacted Social Security, could see an increase in their benefits. However, the eligibility for these increases is not universal. It depends on a range of factors such as your current employment status, the specific pension contributions you have made throughout your career, and the particular rules surrounding those contributions. If you're wondering whether you're eligible for the increased benefits under this new act, the best course of action is to contact your employer or reach out directly to the Social Security Administration. They can provide personalized information based on your work history and pension situation. It's essential to understand the fine details of your individual case, as eligibility will vary depending on factors like how much you have paid into Social Security and the pension system you're involved with. For those who qualify, this could result in a substantial increase in monthly benefits. This could be particularly important for retirees or those nearing retirement, as the increase in benefits would directly impact their financial security in the years ahead. The Social Security Fairness Act aims to remove the barriers that prevent these workers from receiving what they have earned, and for many, it could mean hundreds of dollars more per month in Social Security benefits. The government pension offset, GPO, has long been a point of contention for many Social Security beneficiaries, particularly for those who worked in jobs that required them to contribute to pensions instead of Social Security. Under the GPO, many individuals who are entitled to spousal benefits, such as those whose spouses have passed away or those married to someone receiving Social Security, have seen their benefits reduced or even eliminated because of their own pension earnings. For many workers, this has led to frustration, as they have been paying into a pension system but found themselves penalized when it came time to claim Social Security benefits. With the elimination of the GPO under the Social Security Fairness Act, this long-standing issue is finally being addressed. By removing this offset, individuals who are entitled to both a pension and Social Security benefits will no longer face reductions in their spousal or survivor benefits based on their pension contributions. This is a monumental change for many people, particularly those who have worked in fields like teaching, firefighting, or police work, where pensions were often a key part of their compensation package, but who were unfairly penalized when it came to their Social Security benefits. The impact of this change will be significant for many. For the average individual who stands to benefit from the elimination of the GPO, this could result in an additional $360 per month in Social Security payments. This may not sound like a lot to some, but for those living on fixed incomes, it could make a meaningful difference in their ability to cover living expenses. The increase represents an approximate 19% boost in monthly benefits, which is a substantial improvement for anyone impacted by the previous GPO rules. For spouses who are receiving benefits based on their partner's work history, the changes are even more pronounced. These individuals could see their Social Security benefits increase by as much as $700 per month. This is particularly beneficial for those who have been relying on spousal benefits but have been unfairly limited by the GPO. The potential for this increase to significantly improve the financial security of spouses who were dependent on their partner's Social Security benefits cannot be overstated. Surviving spouses who have often faced the harshest impacts of the GPO will also see dramatic changes. With the new law, surviving spouses could see an increase of as much as $1,190 per month in their benefits. This translates into an approximate 62% boost in their Social Security income, which could provide much-needed relief for individuals who have lost their spouses and are struggling financially. The financial gap they have faced due to the GPO's impact on their survivor benefits will be closed, offering a greater level of support in what is often a very difficult time in their lives. For many, these increases will not only ease financial burdens but will also provide a sense of justice, as they will no longer be penalized for their pension contributions. This reform represents a much-needed adjustment to the Social Security system, and it could have a profound impact on the lives of those who have been affected by these outdated policies for years. The Social Security Fairness Act's passage didn't follow the typical legislative route. Instead of the usual process where bills are debated in committees and moved through the standard legislative channels, this bill used a method called a discharge petition. This rare tactic allowed the bill to bypass the Speaker of the House and move directly to the floor for a vote. The discharge petition required over 218 signatures from members of Congress, which was no easy feat. It required bipartisan support, and it was this rare collaboration between both political parties that led to the bill's approval in both the House and Senate. The passage of the bill through this unique process was a significant victory, but it's not yet law. As of now, the bill is still waiting for the president's signature. This final step is crucial because without the president's approval, the bill cannot be enacted into law. Once signed, however, it will officially change the way Social Security benefits are calculated for those affected by the GPO and pension offset rules. The signing of the bill marks the final hurdle in a long process of legislative effort aimed at providing fairness to workers who have been penalized for years due to pension and Social Security rules. The president's signature is expected to happen soon, but there's no exact timeline for when that will occur. Once signed, the bill will go into effect, and the new calculations for Social Security benefits will be implemented. It will take some time for the changes to be reflected in individuals' monthly benefit checks, but the anticipation of this event is growing. For many individuals, the increase in benefits could be a game changer, potentially improving their financial stability in retirement or following the death of a spouse. While we await the president's signature, there are still a lot of questions about how exactly the new benefits will be rolled out. The Social Security Administration will likely provide more details on when and how individuals will begin receiving the increased benefits, and viewers should expect further updates in the coming months. It's also important for individuals affected by the bill to stay informed, as additional changes to the Social Security system could occur as part of broader reforms. In the meantime, the passage of the bill has already sparked a wave of hope for those who have long struggled with the inequities of the old Social Security and pension system. It also highlights the power of collective action, as the bipartisan support that made this bill's passage possible is a sign that there is potential for more collaborative efforts to address other financial challenges faced by workers across the country. As we continue to monitor the situation, viewers can expect regular updates from this channel, ensuring they stay informed about the final steps in the bill's journey and what it means for their financial futures.